Hi, my name is Austin Zollner. I'm a sixth grade math and social studies teacher uh, in Moorhead, Minnesota. I work at an intermediate slash middle school. It's a 5-6 building on one side and 7-8 on the other. But I work on the elementary slash intermediate side in the sixth grade wing. Um, so, what I believe is important with regard. Okay, so the thing that I think is important about hypertext and hypermedia is, I guess, just becoming aware of what it really means. Because, to be honest, I didn't know what those two words meant until I did a little bit of research and Google searching, and I found that I was using hyperlinks to embed stuff in my lessons all the time and post notifications for parents. So I'm pretty comfortable with stuff like that. I just think it's important to understand the, the sort of specific vocabulary um, so that you know what you're talking about and what it's specifically referring to. So I'm in my second year of teaching, 24. Tomorrow is our last day of school. We go super late in Minnesota, and we had a bunch of snow days. So we'll be going with professional development until this upcoming Monday. So it'll be a tough few days trying to get these assignments done, but I'm looking forward to it. Thanks.